Hi everyone, today we're at a house here in Dallas. We're going to be doing shutters. Say hi. Can you see yourself? Let me turn you around. Okay, so this is the house. You can see it needs some pop to it, so we're going to add some pop in just a minute. Okay, so we got one set on. Randy, good job. So this right here is what it's looking like. It's going to be so pretty. Then we got these, and we're also adding flower boxes. That's what's down here by Randy's feet. So we're going to be doing that. Why are you switching them?
These two are lighter.
Lighter in color?
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to be doing.
Getting on my nerve.
Did you get it?
Got it. You're mean.
So what are you doing there? What are you trying to do? You line it up from the window to the window because shutters are supposed to look like they close on their glass, right?
Right.
So you don't want to go past here. No, no, no. You don't want to do that. That's a no-no. You want to get it above the window.
Yeah, typically we like for it to go
Down right to the edge.
to the edge of the brick.
But the customer
She
did this
measured
one
these.
and it's not right. So we're trying to,
Compensate.
yeah. That needs to come down. Okay, hold on. Okay. So now that's two sets. So you're gonna be able to see what it's looking like. You can already tell that these shutters made this house pop with the blue. Looks great. Sometimes the houses has that right there, and either you're gonna have to beat that down, but we don't do that because of liability issues. If not, you're gonna have that little thing, but most of them doesn't stick out that far, but this is an older house. It sticks out a little bit. But if you want it to lay flat, you're gonna have to beat that down. And we'll make sure that it's even on the edges. That reminds you of a dentist, huh? That remind you of a dentist?
Lord no. How you doing?
What does it remind you of? Oh, you're real close to that camera. Those dimples. Look at your dimples. Show the
Will
camera
you
your
stop?
dimples.
I'm working here. I'm working here.
Okay, let's look at this. So I'm gonna go back here so we can see the full effect. This house right there, it's cute. Can you catch?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. It's gonna be on camera. Catch it.
Bring it. Well, you got to throw it.
Oh,
Come on.
one more.
Get it to me.
Randy,
Seriously.
you're not on my baseball team.
2 foot short.
You gotta reach for it. Okay, so this is it. What y'all think, everybody? Looks great. We just gotta put the planter boxes in now. And then hopefully she'll put in some red and blue flowers, yellow. Really make it pop. Okay, Randy's doing the planter boxes now. He has this one done. Voila. It's done. So there you have it. This is pecan. The color of the stain is pecan. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks, y'all. Bye.